Welcome to this walk around video. Today we do have a lovely urban Land Rover Defender 90 hardtop. It is a 2025 and has covered just over 1500 miles from new. So it is finished in Santorini Black, but does come with a partial satin PPF down the sides, leaving the bonnet and tailgate roof in the standard gloss. So it does have the urban wide track arch kit. It's got all the black exterior styling, of course the LED headlights, full 360 degree 3D surround cameras. It does also have the urban bonnet vents and side vents, along with the roof light bar. Does also have the urban UC5 alloy wheels with the all-terrain tyres and red brake calipers, urban mud flaps to the rear, along with the lip spoiler and the spare wheel cover. LED lights are also tinted, and inside you do of course have your bulkhead and the rubber flooring. Moving into the rear, you do have the Meridian sound system, full ebony leather interior, and this one does come equipped with the front jump seat, which obviously does fold down as well for cup holders and armrest. It's got a heated leather steering wheel. It's got your adaptive cruise control and the interactive driver's display. The larger 11.4 inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also have heated front seats with your dual zone climate control, keyless entry as well. So lovely specification for a commercial vehicle, and lovely condition as well, as you'd expect for the age and mileage. It is obviously a one owner vehicle from new and is still under manufacturer's warranty. If you do have any questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133.